Good afternoon, guys. I'm going to talk about problems of the week. Our problems of the week are a weekly word problem that will be assigned every Monday, and they are due at the end of the week. Sometimes that'll be a Friday, sometimes that'll be a Thursday, but whatever the last day of school is, that's when the word problem is due. When you're solving these word problems, these are going to require a lot of thinking. They're not something that you can solve in 5 to 10 minutes. They're something that you're going to have to read over more than once, think about what the question is asking you to solve, and then come up with a plan to solve the word problem. To get full credit on your problem of the week, I'm asking for 3 things. The first one is that your answer is written in the form of a sentence. This sentence cannot be something like, the answer is 5 flowers. Your sentence has to respond or has to be a reply to the question of the word problem. So if the word problem asks, how many flowers did Mary plant in a week? Your answer would be, Mary planted 5 flowers. Okay, see the difference? Mary planted 5 flowers versus the answer is 5 flowers. Any sentence that starts with the answer is will be marked wrong, and you will lose credit for that part of your solution. The second thing that I am looking for is that you show your work. We will go over different ways to show me your work. You can take a picture and upload it with your assignment. You can do a Flipgrid video and show me your work. In this Flipgrid video, you can also, or in this regular video like I'm with my camera now, you can also tell me your sentence and explain your steps. Or you can do the work online, type it all out, and send it to me that way. The third thing that I need is an explanation in words as to the steps you took to solve the problem. I want to see what your thought process is. I want you to explain what your thought process is, okay? So you can either type your explanation out or you can do a video and upload your explanation. So if you choose to do a video, in your video, you can give me your answer in the form of a sentence. You can physically show me your work by showing me the paper that you did your work on, and then you can explain your steps. So as you're showing me your work, you can say, well, first I had to figure out how many flowers Mary could buy. Then I had to figure out how much whatever. So you're gonna explain the steps that you took, okay? So when you're doing your problem of the week, they are assigned on Monday every week, unless we have a very short week with holidays. They are due at the end of the week, either Friday or Thursday, whichever at the end of the week is. To get full credit, you need to do 3 things. Answer in a complete sentence that answers the word problem's question, show me your work, and explain your steps. You do those 3 things and you turn it in on time, you will almost always get 100. Well, the last thing you have to do to get 100 is to have the correct answer. If your answer is incorrect and I can see where you went wrong, you'll only lose a few points. But if you have all those things with the correct answer, you'll get 100. If your answer is incorrect, but everything else is good, you're bound to get a 90 or above, okay? These will be posted in Google Classroom every Monday. So if for some reason you're not in class on Monday, there is no excuse not to check. There's no excuse not to turn it in. It is there. I will occasionally post hint videos, probably on a Wednesday, to give you some idea of where to go with your answer. And I expect it to be turned in by Friday. You can turn it in early. If you turn it in early and I get a chance to look at it, I'll send it back to you and let you know it has to get fixed. Otherwise, you'd be good to go. Any questions, let me know. Send me a chat and GoGuardian. Send me a message in Classroom or email or Parent Square. Okay? or even ask me a question in class.